Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the ultimate real estate Facebook funnel with which you can generate 100 plus quality leads per week on demand. If you're going to stay till the end of this video, I am going to give you a free ebook worth rupees 1947. This is on the same topic, a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to sell real estate online using the ultimate real estate Facebook funnel. The purpose of this video is to introduce to my ultimate real estate Facebook funnel and also tell you more about the tools that I use to generate quality leads and the resources and the important components of the ultimate real estate Facebook funnel, and also tell you more about the best way to generate quality leads. So this is the ultimate real estate Facebook funnel. Here at the top, you drive traffic to a landing page. Landing page is nothing but a sales page which will give more in-depth details about a particular project or service or a product, and it will convince the user by giving the benefits or the solutions that the user get, or it will provide all the complete information about the service or product, and it will only have one call to action, that is taking the details of the potential customers, details like their name, email ID and phone number, so with which we will send the emails, automated emails or automated SMS, and if we get those people, your potential customer mobile number, your sales team can call you immediately. So that's how, when the traffic is diverted to the landing page, the leads are captured. So when the leads are captured, you have all the details, and in real time, within seconds, you can send automated emails about your project, introductory emails, or project collaterals, and project floor plan, or all other details that the customer are looking for. And immediately you can also send an SMS saying that thank you for showing interest in your project, and this is the location map details and the contact person, your salesperson contact number and other details you can send across the SMS to your potential customer. At the same time, you can also send an automated email notification to your salesperson with the lead details, so that your salespeople can call the prospect and inform them about the the projects and answer all queries that your potential customers have, and follow and help them to come to site visit. And once they visit the site, your sales team can walk through the project, and you can clear all the doubts and other things that the customer is looking into, and you can persuade them to buy your home or flats. So this is a in detailed um, ultimate real estate funnel diagram. So you will have the traffic sources, and those traffic is sent to a landing page, and once the leads are captured, immediately your sales team can call them, and simultaneously you can send across the SMS, and also you can send emails to follow up. I'm also going to tell you about the simple lead form funnel. If you don't have any website, or if you are not willing to build a landing page, you can also use simple lead form that the Facebook provides. This is a simple lead form Facebook funnel. So you drive traffic from Facebook to a lead form. Lead form is nothing but the Facebook uh, has given power to all our marketers in the form of lead forms. So it's a form where you can collect your prospect name, mobile number, and you can also collect their job titles, and you can also ask few questions related to budget. So if you want to qualify the customers, if your project is on a premier flats or a gated community, so if your project falls under a luxury kind of a thing, you can qualify people, and you can filter people who are looking for cheap or budget flats. So you can have this option. You can give your budget so that people look into the budget, and if they're not interested at this price, they will not fill the details, and so you will not be charged from Facebook for those leads. And when these leads are captured in the backend by Facebook, you need to use some automation tools to uh, dynamically push those leads to your CRM or to a Google spreadsheet where you can manage those leads in real time. So Zapier is nothing but a automation tools that does some tasks such as it will pull over the leads from the Facebook from the backend, and it will um, put over the Google spreadsheet in real time, and also it will send those leads to your sales team via Gmail. I'll show you an example. So this is a automated email sent to your sales team whenever the lead is captured from Facebook in real time. So whenever a person X fill their details, those details are captured, and those details are passed on using Zapier to your Google spreadsheet, and also to your salesperson email ID. This is how you can write predefined emails, and all these details are automatically filled in real time. Those name, email ID, phone number, job titles, and their budget. So whenever your sales people get this email notification, they can immediately call the prospect. This is very crucial because if you can turn around and just call them the prospects within seconds or within few minutes, under 5 minutes, they will feel wow. Because like if you are a customer, you are looking for your dream home, and you have seen my ad on Facebook, and you are convinced that this project is fit to you, and it also fit your budget, and you have given all the details, your name, mobile, job title, and budget, and you are still on the laptop or mobile or some desktop, and you are just fill those details, and those details are sent to the Facebook in the back end, and in microseconds those details are captured and sent across to the Google spreadsheet using Zapier, and also your sales team get the email notification like this, your name, email ID, phone number, and title, and your budget. And within seconds or within 2 or 3 minutes, if the sales people, the telecaller calls you with your name. Hey Vishnu, you have shown interest in our project, and you have shown interested to visit the site. So when can I schedule a site visit for you? You can come with your family, and I'm happy to help you. If you have any questions regarding the project, just tell me. I can be on the line and share you all the details. So how does it feel to you? So you are still on the mobile or laptop. You just saw the ad, and within few seconds or 2 or 3 minutes, you got call from these guys. So this is not some random guy calling for credit cards or loans or insurance. This is you. You have given the details. You have shown the interest. So when these people, the salespeople from the real estate company calls you with your name, and then they you know answer all your questions related to the location of the project, their amenities, and if you have any doubts, like if you are looking for east facing a flat, or if you want to know more about the locality, and if you want to know more about the quality of the project and all those things, these sales guy will answer in in few minutes. And you definitely, most of the people are going to convert. So we see more than 10 to 15% of the people who fill up the details come to the site visit when you call these guys immediately. So you have to call these guys in few minutes. If you are a no if you are in a competitive area, you have lot of competitors in that. If you are a real estate, you have more competitors, and if they are also running lots of ads, make sure that you implement this real estate Facebook funnel and call them immediately. This will definitely convert more site visits. And if our project is worth, if your project is a quality project with the benefits and amenities are good, and if you have good location, and then definitely you're going to get the sales. So these are the skills that are required to get quality leads. So you should know, you should be good at any traffic generation. So you might be good at Google ads or LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads or Facebook ads. You have to master the art of generating traffic from these sources. But I recommend you should have Facebook mastery and also Google. So that will help you to generate more leads. And you have to be good at writing compelling ad copy, and you have to design beautiful image is the first thing that the customer looks when they scroll the mobile. So you have to catch the eyeballs of your user. And you should also know the basic elements of email marketing, setting up a email sequence, and integrating those email automation tool with the other tools. And you should also definitely use Zapier. Zapier is the uh, most powerful tool that marketer can wish for. And if you want to get quality leads, you can also build landing pages using landing page builders. uh, so these are the key skills that you should have, or just tie up with some people who have these skills. And if you are planning to incorporate any agency, you make sure that you recruit people with these complementary skills. And these are the tools that are required to run or use this ultimate real estate Facebook funnel. and you need email autoresponder, maybe GetResponse or ConvertKit, and Zapier is a must. And you have to master Facebook ads, and you can build landing pages using ClickFunnels or Elementor Pro or some other page builders. And you can use WhatsApp and SMS automation tools also if you want to use multiple communication channels in your marketing efforts. These are the, I just wanted to recap the 5 key steps of real estate funnel. The first step is to generate quality traffic using Facebook or Google. And you have to, the second step is use any landing page or Facebook lead form, or if you're running LinkedIn ads, you can use LinkedIn lead form as well. And you, in the step 3, you have to get these leads from the backend using Zapier, and send across those leads to Google spreadsheet, or if your client have any CRM tool, you can send across those leads to the CRM. The next step is to you incorporate or integrate this autoresponder, uh, your email marketing tool, and write some predefined emails like introductory emails and details about your projects. And you can also write predefined email reminders telling the customers that you have shown the interest to come to the site visit, and if you haven't visited our site, come across to to our project over this weekend with your family. Those kind of predefined emails you can set up in sequence, and just put it in this uh, email autoresponder, so that that will automatically run as you set up these things. And in the last final step, which is the key thing when you want to qualify the leads, whether you want to know whether the customer prospect has just given their details for just knowing the for inquiry purpose, or they just wanted to check, or maybe they are in the initial phase of their buying cycle. So in real estate, the sales cycle is long, and people start searching for their dream home from 6 months to 1 year. Before 1 year or 6 months, they start searching for different projects, and they wanted to know more about the projects prices, and they wanted to know more about which location is suitable for them. So there will be definitely some people who look for basic questions, and you don't worry with this kind of leads, because eventually when you follow up, those leads will mature and they become warm. And maybe at the later stage, when you do retarget ads and continuously follow them through emails, SMS, and you do retarget ads, definitely in the third month or fourth month, they're going to come to your site when they are ready to buy the home. So these are the 5 steps that you have to follow according to this real estate funnel. And as I said, there are some few elements where you have to um, focus to generate quality leads. Your ad image is the first thing, so make sure you design a compelling ad. So all the key elements have to be in the ad. So if you are not trying to sell a premium gated community flats, or you want to avoid junk leads, or you want to filter the qualified leads based on the price, you can include the price in the ad image. And you have should provide proper call to action, your headline, or learn more button, or you can say like uh, project starts from 1 crore, and this is the first of its kind of project in your area. So those kind of call to action, proper ad image, or if you are doing video ads, you have to come up with very engaging video, and your ad copy has to be you know in a AADA form, awareness and interest and decision making, and you have to show some social proof, or how many people have bought your project, or you have to show your trust and authenticity, and you have to write a compelling ad copy. So apart from these three elements, you should ask right questions when you are doing Facebook lead forms. So like you know budget. So whether these people are interested to buy flats at this budget, or if you are if you think this project no, if your project is no in the IT corridor or Bangalore, you are coming up with a project in Bangalore, Silicon Valley, or Electronic City. So you can you most probably target IT professionals. So if you want to target only IT professional, you can ask basic questions like, are you a working professionals? Are you a IT professionals? So those kind of proper questions. And if you are designing a landing page, give all the details and what the customer is going to get, and what are the benefits, and what is the USP of your project. And you also give the your previous project customer testimonials, and you also include those social proof, those RERA number, and if you got any awards, you can mention those awards, and you give all the details that will satisfy and that will help to give the customer those important details like name, email ID, and phone number. And one more important thing is you have to target right audience. So apart from the above 3 4 elements, targeting the right audience and those target options when you do Google ads or Facebook ads, you have to give it right. So you can know if your project is a luxury project, you can only focus people who buy luxury items, and who are frequent international travels, or who show interest in luxury cars or luxury gadgets. And you can also target based on the device they use, iPhone or high-end smartphones, those kind of target options. And you can also use target options such as people who are interested in real estate online portals like Magic Bricks or No Broker and other things. And apart from this, as a marketer, you have to set the strategy right. You have to follow proper strategy. So like to give the right feed to the Facebook or Google, you have to run few engagement video ads so that you get the no the market thing, like what the customer is looking into, what kind of customer is interacting with our ads, so whether those leads are quality. So you can just run some video ads and do some video engagement ads on Facebook, and you collect the data, and from that data you can retarget with a conversion ad or lead form ads. And you should always track every click, every traffic source, and do the retarget options. And your strategy has to be perfect, so you don't have to waste any single traffic, and collect the data as much as possible, and use these all the powerful tools that Facebook has given, like the engagement video ads, retargeting options, lookalike option, lead generation, lead forms, and conversion, and all those details you have to use effectively if you want to get quality leads. So as I said, you can get my free ebook using the link that I have given in this video in the below description, and get your free ebook. And thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel that I have provided valuable information in this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and like, comment, share, ask questions in the comment section, and join my VIP Facebook group so that I will do lot of more valuable info based videos. I'll come up with a lot of case studies, and I'll show step by step videos how you can start your online business, how you can start your own ad agency business, how you can become affiliate marketer. At the end of the day, I am going to put a lot of content on how effectively you can become digital entrepreneur and earn money through multiple source of income. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.